Hi guys, let's see what's coming this week for all the zodiacs. We'll start with the fire signs. So, if you are an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, this reading is for you. The first reading is for you. Okay. Okay. I can see that you guys are working on building something. किसी चीज़ की नींव डाल रहे हो आप. You're laying a foundation. I see you working very hard and working towards a goal. Something that brings stability to you, uh, long term stability, especially. For most of you, I feel this is a career related thing. For some, it could also be laying the foundation of a new friendship or a new relationship, but for most, it is career related. Now, this week, I do see some mental burnout happening. See, you are putting in a lot of hard work. You are practically working day in and day out. Uh, this is bound to make you tired. So, I do see you getting a little drained, getting burnt out. So, the thing is that don't stress yourself to the point that you end up losing motivation. Uh, because, see, you're doing this for a long term goal. तो इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना कि अभी इसी वक्त थिंग्स विल हैपन. अभी इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो एंड कुछ भी रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है, सो वेट. पेशेंस, थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आएगा रिजल्ट, फ्यूचर में आएगा. लुक, यू आर लेइंग अ फाउंडेशन राइट नाउ. तो एकदम इमीडिएट रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्ट मत करना. So it is very important for you to be patient and most importantly plan things out well. Be organized and see, when you plan things well ना, burnout कम होता है. आधा स्ट्रेस वही निकल जाता है कि चीज़ें प्लान्ड है, तो वो प्लानिंग का पूरा स्ट्रेस निकल जाता है. इसलिए बी प्लान्ड, बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, बिकॉज रिमेंबर यू विल हैव टू डू दिस लाइफ लॉन्ग. तो बिना प्लानिंग, बिना ऑर्गेनाइज किए तो ये हो ही नहीं पाएगा. सो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड बहुत पोटेंशियल है इसमें. लाइक डोंट डाउट दैट, बहुत पोटेंशियल है. बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू कीप योर एनर्जी इंटैक्ट एंड मोटिवेशन इंटैक्ट. सो टेक थिंग्स स्लो, प्लान आउट वेल, ऑर्गेनाइज करो. वी आर लेइंग अ फाउंडेशन राइट नाउ. हमें इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन नहीं चाहिए, तो डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली. Don't drain yourself basically, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now next let's see what's coming for all the air signs. So Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, this is for you. I feel you have been focusing a lot on your self-care and self-love of late. Engaging in activities and hobbies that lift your mood. You're pampering yourself, you are indulging in a lot of luxuries. So self-care and self-love, lot of self-care and self-love I see. I i do feel that you are doing this to move on from a situation in your life. Something has happened in your life जिससे आपको move on करना है, and which is why you are focusing on these things, these activities and hobbies that make you feel good, that lift your mood. uh, Something जो भी ये हुआ था आपके लाइफ में, it has caused a lot of chaos and it has made you feel very powerless. You're trying to fix these things, and self care, I feel, is your way of regaining that power. The chaos is still there, the turmoil is also still there. Somewhere underneath, I still see it, that it's there. You have not come out of it completely, but you're trying. I see that you're putting a conscious effort into coming out of whatever chaos you have been through. And I see a lot of determination in you, a lot of willpower. Now, coming week, I see a huge transformation happening in your life. ह्यूज समथिंग जो आपके अब तक के पूरे बिलीफ सिस्टम को चेंज कर देगा, आपको एकदम एज अ पर्सन कम्प्लीटली चेंज कर देगा। जो भी आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम था, इट विल चेंज इट ऑल टुगेदर, एंड दिस इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ वट एवर हैज़ हैपेंड रिसेंटली टू यू, जिससे आप मूव ऑन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो। This transformation is almost going to make you a new person altogether. जिन चीज़ों के बारे में आपने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि आप करोगे, आप वो चीज़ें करने लगोगे। और ऐसा नहीं है कि मजबूरी में करोगे, आप खुशी-खुशी करोगे ये चीज़ें। You will start finding hope and purpose in these things, in these new things that you're going to do. Okay, let's take an example. If you were an atheist or an agnostic, और चलो आप थीस्ट भी हो, आप भगवान में मानते भी हो, फिर भी आप शायद ऐसे इंसान नहीं थे जो बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीजियस था, बहुत ज़्यादा पूजा पाठ ऐसी चीज़ों में आप नहीं थे, तो आप वो सारी चीज़ें करने लगोगे अभी। सो इफ़ यू वर अ थीस्ट बट वर नॉट वेरी मच इनटू रिलीजियस एक्टिविटीज़, आप वो सब करने लगोगे, आप बहुत ज़्यादा पूजा पाठ करने लगोगे, रेगुलर चीज़ें अटेंड करने लगोगे। तो I see you actively participating in these things. So this is an example. That is the kind of huge transformation that is going to come into your life. Basically, I see you becoming more traditional. I see you believing in things like बड़े बुजुर्ग जो कहते हैं सही कहते हैं, उनकी बातें माननी चाहिए, अपने ट्रेडिशंस को फॉलो करना चाहिए। You probably were not that kind of a person. एकदम आप वैसे नहीं थे, but that is going to change in you. And for some of you, this could also mean agreeing for an arranged marriage. Uh, Not all of you, obviously. The reading is for a huge collective. So take whatever resonates and leave out the rest. But yeah, for some of you, it could mean agreeing to an arranged marriage also. अभी सवाल ये नहीं है कि ये थॉट प्रोसेस सही है कि गलत है, ये जो भी आपने चेंज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है कि ट्रेडिशनल होना अच्छी बात है, बड़े बुजुर्ग की बात मानना अच्छी बात है, या अरेंज्ड मैरिज हो गया, इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट वेदर दिस थॉट प्रोसेस इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग। द पॉइंट इज दिस इज़ गोइंग टू गिव यू हैप्पीनेस। आप ये चीज़ें मजबूरी में नहीं करने वाले हो, आप ये चीज़ें आउट ऑफ योर ओन फ्री विल करोगे, and it is going to bring you a lot of hope and happiness. It is going to bring a lot of purpose in your life. So that is what matters. And I genuinely see that ये जो new path है आपका, this is going to help you come out of whatever you have been through, and it is going to bring immense stability. You're going to be able to manifest success. It is going to bring you a sense of victory, a sense of purpose, a sense of victory. So yeah, good. Okay, next we will see what's coming for the earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have taken some kind of decision recently. You have chosen a new path for yourself. And I feel this decision of yours is completely based on logic. It is not driven by emotions. A lot of illusions have broken for you. A lot of confusion has cleared. It is like आंखों पर से एक पर्दा हट जाना. That has happened. You have started seeing things clearly. The truth, whatever truth of a situation, has become more clear to you. It's like you were tied to a fake sense of happiness before. You were living a happy life, but based on a foundation of lies. So वो पर्दा हट गया है अभी, और आपको पहले भी पता था, कहीं ना कहीं at a subconscious level, you knew that whatever happiness this was, it was built on a foundation of lies. Whatever your truth was, whatever your reality was, it was built on a foundation of lies. ये आपको पता था, फिर भी आप इस चीज़ से इतने टॉक्सिक वे में अटैच थे कि आप निकल नहीं पा रहे थे। भले ये सेंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस रियल नहीं था, फिर भी आप इससे बहुत टॉक्सिक वे में अटैच थे। which is why you were not being able to come out of it. But something has finally shifted in you. Um, and now you are willing to end everything based on lies. Whatever was there based on lies, you were willing to end it. You're willing to end all your toxic attachments and start everything fresh, rebuild everything. For some of you it could mean ending toxic friendships, for some of you it could mean toxic relationships, for some of you it could also mean ending toxic marriage, divorcing your partner. For some it could also be ending a toxic and a shallow relationship with your own self. You are trying to reform, you are trying to put an end to everything, all kinds of habit that was pulling you back. Now पहली बात तो this week I see lots of blessings coming for you. The universe is really appreciating you for this new step that you have taken. It was very important, uh, and you are on the right path and the universe is blessing you. But you will also be tested. You will be put through tough times by the universe to see if you can continue on this path or not, to see whether you fall back into old practices or not. So, yes, testing times are going to come. And let me warn you that it is going to be a little tough. ये जो भी नया फेज आ रहा है, जो भी टेस्टिंग टाइम्स आ रहे हैं, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल टफ. ऐसा लग सकता है कि वापस चली जाऊँ पिछले लाइफ में, वट एवर यू हैव लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, वहाँ पे चली जाऊँ इन टू दोज ओल्ड प्रैक्टिसेस, इन टू दैट ओल्ड फ्रेंडशिप, दैट ओल्ड रिलेशनशिप, दैट ओल्ड मैरिज, और दैट ओल्ड मी. जो भी आप थे, जो भी आप चेंज करने की कोशिश करोगे, ऐसा फील होगा कि मैं अपनी ओल्ड लाइफ में वापस चली जाऊँ या चला जाऊँ. बट इसी को रेजिस्ट करना है. नो मैटर वॉट, सेल्फ सैबोटाज नहीं करना है बिल्कुल भी. यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. कीप वॉकिंग ऑन दिस. बी डिटरमाइंड, बी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड कीप वॉकिंग ऑन दिस ट्रैक. To make things easier, do something creative. Focus on your passion. ये जो भी energy right now you have, channelize all of this into your creativity and passion. Then I feel things will be easy for you to deal with. And I do see you having a healthy future. You will come out of this. All you need to do is be rooted in your truth and don't look back. With determination, just keep going ahead. I do see you happy in the future. You will come out of this. Just be rooted in this. Just keep doing what you're doing. Finally, coming to the water signs, Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Let's see what's coming for you this week. I feel you are someone who feels like you don't get enough love. Even with the kind of love that you offer, you feel like you don't get the same back in return. Uh, Even when you are surrounded by loved ones, you feel lonely. And off late, आपको ये ज़्यादा फील होने लगा है. Off late, you have been feeling trapped in an environment where you don't feel loved or accepted. लव एंड अफेक्शन की मेजर कमी फील हो रही है आपको. आप देते बहुत हो. आपने यू हैव बीन अ वेरी गिविंग पर्सन, यू हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ लव, बट सामने से आपको सिर्फ ब्रेड क्रम्स ही मिले हैं. So now you are making a conscious decision of moving away from such people, moving away from all such relationships, all such people. आप में से कुछ लोगों ने तो शायद completely कट ऑफ कर दिया है ऐसे लोगों को, मे बी सोशल मीडिया पे ब्लॉक कर दिया है. तो या यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू मूव ऑन. In the coming days, I do see you being very strong for yourself. पहले आप वीक पड़ जाते थे, आप एंटरटेन कर देते थे ऐसे लोगों को, बट नाउ आई सी यू बीइंग वेरी स्ट्रांग. पहले जैसे आप अगर कट ऑफ कर भी देते थे तो भी वापस बुला लेते थे ऐसे लोगों को. नाउ आई सी यू अवॉइडिंग दैट, एटलीस्ट ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड दैट. It is not going to be an easy process though, because you have a toxic attachment problem. See, when you go away from such people that you're attached to, you start feeling very anxious and stressed, and you start overthinking. इसलिए it is going to be a little difficult to cut such people off. But if you if you're getting too anxious, you can share it with someone in your life who's there, who you know will guide you better. You can share it with them. That will help you a little bit. That will make you feel a little relaxed mentally. So that you can do. Now, coming to the most important thing, it is very important that you love yourself first. सी, ये जो आप लैक ऑफ लव मैनिफेस्ट करते हो ना अपनी लाइफ में बार बार, यू नो वाई दिस इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज यू डोंट लव योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. अपना लव अपने आप को देना होता है सबसे पहले. इतनी सेल्फ लव की कमी है आप में दैट आप वही चीज़ बाकी हर जगह से अट्रैक्ट करने लगते हो. एंड आपके पास बहुत सारा प्यार है देने को. इट्स लाइक आपका कप ओवरफ्लो हो रहा है विथ लव, बट आप वो अपने आप को ही नहीं दे रहे. You actually don't need anybody. You don't need to be dependent on other people's love. You are enough. But यही आपको समझना है. यही समझना है कि the love that is present in you ना, that is enough for you and the whole world. तो आपको डिपेंड होने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है दूसरों के लव के पे. एंड द मोमेंट यू आर एबल टू प्रैक्टिस सेल्फ लव ना, आपकी ये जो भी एंग्जाइटी स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ हैं सारी निकल जाएंगी. एवरीथिंग विल बी, यू विल बी एट पीस. सो फोकस ऑन दैट. Practice self love, and you will also start attracting better people who actually know your worth, people who give you equally. You know, जितना लव उनको देते हो उतना ही वो वापस देंगे. But that will only happen once you are able to practice self love. That's when you will manifest love externally as well. So yeah, it is very important for you to practice self love. So that was it for this week. I hope you guys liked it.